Welcome to a masterclass in reclaiming your outdoor space. For many homeowners, the front yard is a source of anxiety rather than relaxation. If you live on a busy street, a corner lot, or in a densely packed neighborhood, you likely suffer from what landscape architects call the fishbowl effect. You have outdoor square footage, but because it is completely exposed to the gaze of every passing car and pedestrian, you never actually use it. Today, we are going to solve that problem. We are exploring the brilliant world of privacy flower gardens designed specifically for exposed, tiny front yards. You do not need to build a massive, imposing brick wall to secure your privacy. In fact, many city codes won't even allow it. Instead, we will look at how to blend the soft, beautiful textures of structural flowering plants with modern, horizontal, slatted wood fences. We are going to design a hidden, serene oasis right on your property line, keeping the nosy neighbors out while keeping the beauty in. The biggest mistake people make when trying to create privacy in a small front yard is building a solid, heavy barricade. A solid wall makes a small space feel claustrophobic and unwelcoming. The modern solution is the semi-permeable boundary. This is where the horizontal slatted wood fence becomes your best friend. By using warm materials like cedar or teak and leaving a slight gap between each horizontal board, you achieve something magical. You block the direct line of sight from the street, giving you absolute privacy, but you still allow air and dappled sunlight to filter through. This slatted design feels light, architectural, and deeply modern. It doesn't scream "keep out" to your neighbors. Rather, it looks like a highly curated architectural feature of the home. The warm tones of the natural wood also serve as the perfect, earthy backdrop for the vibrant greens and florals we are going to plant right behind it. With our beautiful slatted boundary in place, we need to add the heavy lifters of our privacy garden, the living screens. Because city ordinances often cap front yard fences at 3 or 4 feet, we must rely on plants to provide the overhead privacy. Clumping bamboo is a modern landscape designer's secret weapon. Notice I said clumping, not running bamboo. Clumping bamboo grows in a tight, disciplined circle and will not take over your yard. It shoots up incredibly fast, providing a dense, vertical wall of vibrant green that completely blocks sightlines from second-story windows next door. When the wind blows, it creates a soothing, rustling sound that actively masks street noise. If you prefer a softer, more floral aesthetic, the flowering dogwood is unparalleled. By planting a dense row of dogwoods behind your slatted fence, their branches interlock to create a breathtaking canopy of white or pink blossoms. They act like a massive natural umbrella, shielding your yard from view while providing incredible structural beauty. A successful privacy garden is never just one flat row of plants. To make a tiny front yard feel like a deep, immersive oasis, you must master the art of layering. Think of your garden in 3 tiers. Your slatted wood fence is the structural baseline. Your tall bamboo or dogwood trees serve as the towering background layer. Now we must fill the mid-ground and foreground. This is where we introduce lush, soft floral textures to contrast the rigid lines of the wood and the trunks of the trees. We use plants like massive white hydrangeas, vibrant purple allium, or delicate ferns to fill the visual gaps near the ground. By heavily planting the understory, you eliminate any stray sightlines that might peek under the tree canopy. This dense layering of petals, leaves, and wood creates a profound psychological sense of enclosure. You are no longer in a front yard, you are wrapped in a private, living sanctuary. When you have a very small front yard, every single square inch must be intentional. You cannot afford dead space. To maximize the usability of your new hidden oasis, we replace the useless, high-maintenance grass with sleek, modern hardscaping. Smooth concrete pavers, dark polished river rock, or light grade gravel pathways are utilized to guide you through the dense plantings. By removing the lawn, the yard instantly feels more upscale and purposeful. The sharp, clean lines of a concrete pathway juxtaposed against the wild, soft explosion of dogwood blossoms and the warm, linear geometry of the slatted fence creates the ultimate stealth wealth aesthetic. You have transformed a cramped, exposed patch of grass into an intimate, usable courtyard. Your property line does not have to be a source of stress, and you shouldn't have to retreat to your backyard just to enjoy a moment of peace. By embracing the elegance of horizontal slatted wood and the towering beauty of clumping bamboo and flowering dogwood, you can effectively cure the fishbowl effect. You can block the noise, stop the wandering eyes, and reclaim your outdoor square footage. Build your semi-permeable boundary, layer your beautiful floral textures, and step out your front door into a serene, intimately protected oasis. Thank you for joining us on this design journey.